Hey, I'm Jeff, coming to you from the backyard. I'm here with the Ooni Karu 16 multi-fuel pizza oven. I'm excited to get into how this works, how fun it can be to make wood-fired pizza, and the versatility to go beyond just pizza. So, let's cook. All right, so this model is unique. It has a new hinged oven door. It goes down to the right level so I can get in there, turn my pizza, and do the rest. It also has the ViewFlame technology, so you're gonna be able to see your pizza, whatever you're cooking in there, but then also have the ability to keep that heat in. So right below the door is a mounted digital thermometer. It moves in Fahrenheit and Celsius. This measures ambient temperature inside the oven. We have a few different options for cooking with this. Here comes the tray. You have an option for lump wood charcoal, hardwood, or both. They also sell a gas burner option. That's great for people that are really looking to go quickly with cooking their pizza. I have a family, I really want to get going quicker. But then also when I have time, I like the flavor of hardwood and charcoal. So how this works, there's vents in the back to allow airflow to go through over the hot coals or the gas burner. It has a top on this to control the heat, but you're gonna want to remove that. You're gonna want to be able to control the temperature and the airflow to go up and out. So to control the heat, you have a few options. This can open and close to allow the airflow to go up in. And then you have this baffle as well to control the chimney. This will get hot, you'll want to use a protective glove for that. So you can slide this in the front to have airflow up at higher temperatures for Neapolitan style pizza. You can close it down a little bit when looking to lower the temperature. Maybe a Detroit style pizza. You can cook steak, fish, vegetables, and a ton of other options. There's also the Ooni App. I love this app because it's gonna let me go above and beyond my pizza making skills they currently are. So what I'm excited about the app is that it's gonna help show me how to make pizza dough. I haven't done that yet with my family, so I'm really excited to try this out. All right, so I have this loaded up with lump wood charcoal and hardwood to give a combination on that for my recipe today. Slide the tray in and light the flame. I have some fire starters that are natural in there to help this get going. Close the door, open the baffle. So it can take about 15 minutes to get up to temp, maybe more depending on how much heat you're looking to get, but that's gonna allow us to cook at super high temperatures and cook our pizzas really fast. So let's make some pizza. Here's my pre-made dough, a little bit of pizza sauce. This is my son's favorite part. I'm gonna add some mozzarella balls, fresh tomatoes, some shredded mozzarella. Now we're gonna throw it in the oven. Slide it in there. The further back you go, the higher the temp gets. And I like to keep a close eye on it. It goes quickly. All right, let's take this out. Well, that's it. I'm Jeff. Thanks for joining me. Once again, this is the Ooni Karu 16 multi-fuel pizza oven. If you want to learn more about this product, click the link below in the description. I'm ready for some pizza. Let's eat.